How to enable or disable automatic updates on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Scroll down and search for System and click on System. In System, at the bottom, click on System Updates. After you click on System Updates, click on Setting icon at the top right corner of your screen, which will open these options. To simply disable automatic updates, turn off auto download over Wi-Fi, make sure the circle is on the left side. And to enable, simply press on it again, auto download over Wi-Fi, and make sure the circle is on the right side. And this is how to enable or disable automatic updates on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.